Welcome to Shades of Beautiful Life. Once, I was having breakfast in a cafeteria when a Buddhist monk joined me. The food wasn't great, so we joked about the soupy oatmeal and burnt toast. Then he turned to me in seriousness and said, "When you stop laughing, that's when the trouble begins." I loved his advice, and he is right. A troubled mind causes trouble. If a situation is serious and doesn't seem to have a lighter side, you can at least stay calm. A negative mind, on the other hand, will get you in trouble every time. Let's listen to another story of two monks. Two monks were returning to the monastery in the evening. It had rained, and there were puddles of water on the roadsides. At one place, a beautiful young woman was standing, unable to walk across because of puddle of water. The elder of two monks went up to her, lifted her, and left her on the other side of the road and continued his way to the monastery. In the evening, the younger monk came to the elder monk and said, "Sir, as monks, we cannot touch a woman." The elder monk answered, "Yes, brother." Then the younger monk asked again, "But then, sir, how is that you lifted that woman on the roadside?" The elder monk smiled at him and told him, "I left her on the other side of the road, but you are still carrying her in your mind, in your thoughts." Almost always, we hold things, memories, past events, people, and then we cry, "Why me?" If you ask me to define life in two words, it would be let go. Let go of frustration with your life. Let go of things which cause stress. Let go of anger and bitterness. Let go of painful relationships and memories. Because life is now. If you let go a little, you will have a little peace. If you let go a lot, you will have lot of peace. You cannot always control what goes on outside, but you can always control what goes on inside. Stay calm, stay strong. Things will get better. It might be stormy now, but it can't rain forever. Do more of what makes you happy. Enjoy the little things in life. So is the shades of beautiful life. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe, hit the bell icon. Take care and stay tuned.